Welcome back. Today we're going to work on our OData layer and our data classes. So, to do that, we open up the Linq generator. The Linq generator is our tool that takes the stored procedures you created in the last episode and binds them to C# class. It also creates the POCO elements you'll need for both arguments and results. Like all of AzStudio's code generators, we use a script type and a template in order to generate the code. In this case, our script body is a JSON object. When we have that kind of configuration, we always put a script editor in to make this easier to change. The values in here are pretty self-explanatory. We have a class name, a namespace, a matching substring in the stored procedure that toggles whether or not the stored procedure will be included in this data class, a method prefix for code generation, an output where we're going to put the actual C# file, and a template source, which you can change. Okay, so we've got it filled out correctly, or at least correctly as we need it. Now we can actually generate this class. Now this is going to take a little while, so we'll skip to the end. Great. We've now generated all the SQL we'll need to talk to that database schema. This process goes faster if you use a local database connection rather than a cloud connection. One other quick side note. You'll notice the edit scripts is asking for a matching substring. If you use the word custom after this substring, the stored procedures will be included in the Linq build, but it will also be protected against what the SQL generator may or may not do in an automated fashion. In that manner, you can write your own custom stored procedures, have them untouched by the code generation, and included automatically in this data class build. Now we can go do the fun part, programming. Alright, so let's open up Visual Studio, and in the landing page or the start page you'll have a Sandbox Common solution. Let's open that up. Now Sandbox Common is just a C# class library. Nothing special, nice and vanilla. The first thing we're going to want to add is a reference to the Linq libraries, which are not included by default. So we're going to add a reference. We're going to type Linq, and we're going to get the system.data.linq package referenced in our project. The second thing we're going to want to do is make sure that our project is a .NET 4.5.2 project. This is the same .NET version that all of the AzStudio libraries use. Alright, we're almost done. One more reference. This reference is going to be the AzStudio Common package. Now, the AzStudio Common package is used in almost everything that you do or everything you build with AzStudio. We like to refer to this as our jQuery for Azure. It loads all of the things you'll need to become a first-class Azure programmer. And install this. You're going to get these requests because we are installing all of the Azure libraries as well, the Azure libraries that you'll need to use when accessing our footprint. Don't worry, this isn't going to make your package larger when you publish. It's just going to add the right references. Now we're actually ready to add the generated code. Here we'll add an existing item, and you'll notice the data classes file is already in the folder for you. That was generated by the Linq generator. Great, we have everything in the project now to build it and create the package. And from this point forward, you could add more data context for different schemas if you like to keep them all in the same package, and you won't have to add all this other stuff. Great, we're now ready to build our package. Let's build the project, and as you see, it went successfully. That's excellent. And now we'll go ahead and open the folder in File Explorer. In here, we have a create NuGet package batch file that we've already written for you. Creating packages is a breeze. We'd recommend that you take some time and look at this little batch file. So, here we go. We'll run it. All done. If you'll notice, it created a Sandbox Common 1010 NuGet package in the root folder. It also copied to the packages folder a new package, Sandbox Common 1.0 NuGet package. That is our package source in the VM. If you'll notice, it created a Sandbox Common 1010 NuGet package in the root folder. It also copied to the packages folder a new package, Sandbox Common 1.0 NuGet package. That is our package source in the VM. Excellent. Now, if we refresh our package list, you'll notice we have a new one here, Sandbox Common. Your data access layer is now complete. Now we can go on to the next step, plugins. We'll be using our Sandbox Common package in our next project, where we'll create visual controls and plugins for AzStudio that allow you to edit the sandbox schema. Thanks for watching.